What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man. I'm back with a quick vlog video for you today. Y'all seem to like this Penny One video, so I gave Hesper the option to wear these. I gave her the option. She can wear whatever she wanted to wear. But let me get to the point. Today we went to Social Status to enter the in-store raffle for the Social Status Penny One in the Orlando colorway. So at first I was like, no, we both got to wear our strawberry milks. And then I was like, no, she can wear these. And I gave her the option. I remember her seeing these before, and she said she didn't like them, seeing pictures of them. But she decided because she didn't really like the dunks aren't very comfortable, that she'd try these out. And she really liked these. They looked good on her. First of all, let me give you a quick word from my sponsor. This is Mark 5:27. She had heard about Jesus, so she came up behind him and she touched his robe. This is about a woman who had an illness, a chronic illness. I think it was bleeding, since as long as she could remember. And she had heard about him, and all she did was touch his robe, and she was instantly healed. And when I first read this in my devotional a week or so ago, I was like, man, yeah, but we can't do that now. And I prefer to, well, first of all, I feel like I need to be spoken to by the Lord before I bring something to y'all on YouTube. And I did feel spoken to, but it just wasn't right. I wasn't there yet. And Hesper and I were discussing our time at our wave camp, our church camp that we went to with our youth last week. And it was just incredible. Even on the first night, right after we got there, we went into worship, and it was just incredible, the feeling in the room. And the statement, the sentence that came to mind was to be in the room. And it was like, to be in the room was to know that he was there. There was just undeniable feeling in the atmosphere. And like I said, it's just something undeniable. And it's kind of the same thing that happened with her, even though we can't actually be in the room physically with the man Jesus, because he ascended to heaven. He's not here anymore after God forsook him, if you'll remember Matthew 27:46. But we can't actually be in the room with him, but to be in the room is to know that he's there. So I would challenge y'all, to anybody who's hearing these, that just kind of goes on by it and stuff like that. Find a place where you might be able to have that kind of encounter, just to give it a try. All right, so back to Social Status. We went to Social Status today, and wanted to get into the in-store raffle. I've heard at Social Status, and I'm on Manier, when you get into the in-store raffle, generally you get it. And I gotta say first, for the people at Social Status, all of the guys there and folks there, there's ladies that work there too that have been the exact same way. They're just the nicest people in the world. They just want to talk to you and welcome you in. And some places you go to, you may not feel like you should be there or like you fit in or something like that. I mean, I'm a 38-year-old dude, a fat guy, and you know, that's like a hip spot. Inman Park in Atlanta is like a hipster type spot, and these are young guys, so I kind of feel that way. But man, they're just so welcoming. I love it every time I go there. They make me feel that way. So I really appreciate that store, and I would love to support them again by purchasing the Penny One Social Status directly from them. So we got into the raffle, and they even said that, I think he basically said I was going to get it. We made our appointment for earlier in the afternoon, but Bo was a little sick, and she's probably not going to make it. And we were messing with her, trying to make her comfortable, clean her up a little bit, and so we were late. And I kind of laid that on the dude because I said, you know, he asked me when my appointment was for. I said it was for earlier. And it was like, I thought I needed an excuse, maybe, or maybe I'm just trying to talk about it like I am now. I said, yeah, we've been messing with the dog. She's probably not going to make it. It was a lot for a person, especially of his age, a younger person, to have that kind of unloaded on you. So Hesper was very apologetic while I was not even thinking about it. I was trying to think about the shoes. So I got a little bit of a vlog from in the store and the shoes, and we also got another pickup. This is something I literally slept on. I was asleep and didn't wake up, but I managed to pick it up there. And they didn't have it out. It wasn't out anywhere. I just asked. So make sure, y'all, when you go into your stores, first of all, that you're nice to them and you have a good relationship with them. I think they recognize me. I've been in there a handful of times. And ask if they have it. So I've got all this out here though, because I've got these reviews coming. Riley, you asked for these. I got both pairs right here to make the review on, and I bet you that Miguel could persuade me to take these off, or at least one of them off of his hands. There's really only one of them that I like, but we'll talk about that in those reviews. What else do I have to say before we go? I'm just going to end it with the vlog. It's only about a minute and a half or 2 minutes worth of vlog. So make sure you tell your grandma about the Penny One and the Penny One social status. Be ready for all these reviews. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more reviews I just need to record, much less the ones that are already uploaded to YouTube. I'm just waiting to publish, and then at least 1 more coming in the mail. So you got plenty of content coming. Can't wait to make it for you. So smash that like button, comment down below. I'll see you next time.
Hello.
We're walking through Inman Park right now. We're going to social status for the in-store raffle for the Penny One Orlandos. I think you can see it. I'm wearing, oh, there we go. And then I'm wearing the strawberry milk. She's wearing the Penny Ones. It's good luck, I guess, right?
Good luck.
Inman Park. I was really surprised. She told me she wanted to wear these when I gave her the option. Up-tempos, trainers, 1 mids, 6s. Still got those yellow acid wash, brave blues, core purple 13s, 5s, clot 5s. Thought about the clot 5s too, because I actually really like those. Those other 5s though. Adult size is still sitting. 2, I think, of the 3 colorways of the Union Cortezes. Kind of thought about the black ones. I like those. Some more Dunks and Air Force Ones, more up-tempos, 11s, Del Sols. Those Del Sols just popping up everywhere. So we went in, got into our Penny One raffle at social status, and then look what we got.
Yeah. You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Choose. Ah! Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute.